Hi guys, in this video we look at the CAT score versus percentile for the CAT exam. So I'm going to make this table here and we have the raw data with us. So today I'll show you how I'm making this calculation. ये उनके लिए है ताकि आपको पता लगे भाई कितना एफर्ट जाता है एक वीडियो तैयार करने में, जो पब्लिक एकदम से डिसलाइक मार के निकल जाता है कि दिस वीडियो इज यूजलेस, दिस इज दैट. So this is effort which goes into making a video. So let's first do the formatting and then we'll start. So all this formatting is very important for the hygiene factor, ताकि वो वीडियो थोड़ा अच्छे से दिखे सबको. So I'll just do all these things and then we'll start the part. So I'm going to make percentile cutoff. यार ये पूरा MB भी सीखा मैंने. This is your MB all about guys. So we look at 50 percentile, 60 percentile, 70 percentile, 80 percentile, 90 percentile, 95 and 99. So this is your percentiles what we're going to track today. Okay, so now I'll first save this video ताकि Excel sheet delete हो गया तो बहुत problem आती है फिर. So let's look at the raw score now. So we have the percentile in front of us here. So I've just done the tag here. So start with 57. So I don't have 55 percentile but 57 we have. 29 marks is 57 percentile. So approximately 29 marks we will put as 50 percentile. Sorry, 57 के लिए 70 के लिए 23 लेना पड़ेगा, तो हम राउंड इट ऑफ टू 24 कर देते हैं. ओवरऑल स्कोर 24 marks will be your 50 percentile. Okay, so here I don't need the percentile here because percentile graph we already have. The percentile will come in one go. I'm just deleting this out. So overall 24 score is your 50 percentile. 60 percentile is around 31 marks. 70 percentile is around 35 marks. 80 percentile is 48 marks. 90 percentile 63 marks. 95 percentile 79, मोटा मोटा 78, 76 marks. And 99 percentile, the magic number is 101. So 100 marks is your 99 percentile. 99.5, yeah, around 115, and 100 percentile is 189. So that's the number we have. So I'm going to now post all these numbers here. So I've just entered all the scores here. Now if I divide this by 3, so to get a net score what you need, 8 question correct. Yeah, look at this here. 8 question correct is 60 percentile. We are getting the target numbers here. 32 question, 32 marks, 11 question correct, net correct. This is the net correct. Net. Yeah, 21. 3 क्वेश्चन है. एक क्वेश्चन पे तुम्हारा पूरा 10 परसेंटाइल का गैप आ रहा है. एक क्वेश्चन पे, 2 क्वेश्चन पे, 3 क्वेश्चन पे. 99 and 95, here the gap is huge. So just change the table here now. So verbal score and net correct, DLR score, net correct, quant and overall. So I'm getting this table here. Now I'll just do the same for verbal, DLR and quant. So I'll just pause the video here. 60 percentile is 8 question correct, 8 marks, sorry. Only 8 marks score is your 60 percentile, which means net is 3. So if you're from the reserved category, you will start getting the IM calls in quant section. Yeah, 70 percentile is 11.75. I am rounding off to 12. 80 percentile is around 16 marks, which is around 5 question correct. This is all round of values. ठीक है, इसको आपको अगर round it off the next value करना तो 6 question correct आप बोल सकते हो. Then 90 percentile is where the magic happens, where the main IM calls will start getting for open category as well, is 23 question correct. 23 marks, sorry, marks score. Yeah, 95 percentile is approximately 29.31, 29 marks, which is 10 question correct. And 99 percentile is 43 marks, which is 14 question correct. 99.5 is approximately 49 marks. And 99.99, which is 100 percentiler, will be around 65, 72 marks पे है एक मेरे पास. But see, they give you a number कि भाई जिसका 150 पार हो गया सबको 99.99 कर देंगे. Okay, so that number here will be around 65, 66. तो 22 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट, which is a huge number. लोगों ने किया भाई. 99.93 is 63 percentile. Sorry, 99.93% is 61 marks. So approximately 63 marks पे आके आपको 99 मिल जाएगा. 100 percentile टॉपर. DLR सेक्शन जो सबसे घटिया सेक्शन था for everyone. Let's look at what happened. How much percentile is how much score in DLR. So DLR 50 percentile is 6.66 marks. So 6.66 marks will round out to 7 marks. 2 question correct net. You are getting 50 percentile. 60 percentile is approximately 10 marks. अच्छा इस बार ज्यादा गया 3 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. जबकि पेपर टफ था, लोगों ने अच्छा किया परफॉर्म. 70 percentile is 12 question correct. 12 marks, which is 4 question correct. 80 percentile is 15 question correct, 15.6, rounded off to 16 question correct. 90 percentile is 21 question correct. 95 percentile is approximately 24 question correct. 8 question correct you are getting. 2 set right हो गया जिसका तथास्तु. 99 is around 35 marks. 99.5 is 38 and 99.99 is 56 marks. So 100 percentiler will be around 60 marks. इसको हम 60 कर देते हैं. Okay. So how are we getting this number? So I have this analysis here with me, so I'll just post it here so you can see that this is all the topper scores. Those who have topped the exam got very good percentile, उनका ये है in DLR का toppers. ठीक है, this is where I got the analysis. Now we'll do for the same thing for verbal. So now going to the verbal section, I just pick up all the toppers here, sorting out by smallest to largest, and then 50 percentile onwards. I'll just copy paste the data. I've just added my logo here now. क्योंकि पब्लिक बहुत है यहाँ कॉपी करने वाले, बहुत लोग हैं यार. ट्रस्ट मी, यू हैव नो आइडिया हाउ मेनी पीपल डू कॉपी ईच अदर. ओके, सो मूविंग टू द वर्बल सेक्शन. 50 परसेंटाइल इज अराउंड 12 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. ये डेटा मैंने यहाँ पे सामने रख दिया आपके. 60 परसेंटाइल इज 14 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट अप्रोक्सीमेटली. विल राउंड इट ऑफ टू 15. 18 मार्क्स इज 71 परसेंटाइल, सो विच इज 6 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. 6 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट कर दिया तुम्हारा 70 परसेंटाइल आ गया. तो रिजर्व कैटेगरी वालों सबको आगे कॉल आनी शुरू हो जाएगी. For 21.62 is 80.28, so I'm rounded off to 21 percentile, 21 score, which is 7 question correct is 80 percentile. 90 percentile is 27 question correct, that is where the main aim starts. 95 percentile is 33 question correct. Verbal cutoff is always higher than the other two sections. Yeah, ये हमारे सामने है. 99 is 42. Yeah, I'm rounded off to nearest number. 99.5 का डेटा वी डोंट हैव, सो 42 एंड 48 के बीच का नंबर बोलो कोई भी बेटा. एक 46, 15 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. ओके, देन 99.91, 99.98 इज 61. सो अगेन आई वुड से 63 मार्क्स पे टॉपर होगा. 21 क्वेश्चन करेक्ट. सो दिस इज योर नेट स्कोर वर्सेस परसेंटाइल एट विच कॉलिंग. सो दिस बेंचमार्क नंबर इज टू बी यूज्ड टू फाइंड आउट योर रैंक कॉल्स, एंड फॉर दोज हु गोइंग फॉर कैट 21 they can also understand this number will be important for them. तो मैं अभी इसको एक चकाचक करके इसका एक टेबल ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ, इसको फॉर्मेटिंग थोड़ा अच्छा कर देता हूँ. So that's my final sheet. I'm going to save it into my CAT master sheet. This is my CAT master sheet which I use. उसमें जो आज तक का weekly targets, everything is discussed here, is written here. Score versus percentile, last year का, पिछले 5 साल का score versus percentile, everything analysis is given here. So मेरा आधे घंटे का वीडियो है ये टोटल. अभी इसको मैं कट शॉर्ट करके आपको फाइनल यूट्यूब पे आई एम गोइंग टू अपलोड दिस वीडियो फॉर यू पीपल फॉर योर बेंचमार्क. ऑलराइट, इन केस यू वांट टू जॉइन अवर प्रोग्राम्स, नंबर आपको नीचे दिया होगा कहीं ना कहीं. So just call us any of the numbers. In the description box, you'll find the numbers. You can call us. There you go. I've just added the numbers here. Now I'm just adding this to our web page. So just created that for you. So CAT score versus percentile. And I've also added the raw data here. So in case you want to download, copy paste the data and do your own analysis, you can do that. So at the bottom of that, I've given the raw data as well. So थोड़ा bold कर देते हैं headline. So main note, this is a scaled score, not the root score. Yeah, number 1. Number 2, net is your correct question, not attempts. Publish. So I've created this link ctking.com/cat21. You can find out the table here. ये देखो बेटा, ये एक टेबल ड्रॉ करने में 40 मिनट लगते हैं मेरे को. All the best. In case you want to join our program, you can just call the numbers given here and my team can help you out to join the complete program or only for books, mocks or shortcuts. All the best.